Magandang umaga! Sila nga po pala yung mga classmates ko. This was the time when we are electing our class officers. And this is the time when we are waiting for our class attendance. You know, yung pumunta ka lang for the attendance moment. Sa kabilang area naman na yun is doon naka-stay yung mga fourth year students. And this was the time when it was the lunch time. As you can see, siya pa yung barkada ko. And stick together ako. After nung lunch, pumunta kami sa room ng barkada ko. And ayun, tumitingin sa mga chicks. Aba malay mo, may mahagilap ako, di ba? And yan yung mga first year students and second year students. And yan yung mga ibang students. Tingin-tingin tayo dyan, baka may mahagilap tayo. You know, ayun, may mga boys, may mga girls din. Ganda nung uniform ng Department ng Management. Girl! Ito na yung time na pauwi ako papunta sa plaza para doon pumara ng tricycle kasi mahirap yung magpara dito lalo na kapag marami kayong students na bigla-biglang lumalabas. And itong mga videos ko, just random videos for that day and minimix ko lang siya. Kaya see you soon again!